in the land of grills. Look what we got here, folks. Oh man, this is really cool. From our friends at Breeo. Breeo they make a whole heck of a lot of things, but smokeless fire pits is one of the things they make. They also make lawn chairs and lawn chair accessories, but this is called their live fire grill, folks. There's a lot of things going on here. I tell you what, I don't even know where to start. It is so cool. I'll tell you what, let's just get started. All right, so, if you made it this far, Tom Horsman YouTube, please subscribe. And we'll leave all the links down below for Breeo. But I just this thing was designed for those who desired a dedicated cooking tool and with live fire. So this thing is designed, you can use it either with splits, wood, or you can use it with charcoal too. Very, very unique. And the accessories, folks, let's talk about that. This just looks at what you're getting here. And we're going to go through a lot of that. But they have this griddle that's unbelievable. They have the grill right there. By the way, that's 304 stainless steel. You've got this hook right here that you can put a stainless cast iron pot on. And guess what? They even have a pizza oven. Oh man, would that be nice? Let's do a quick walk around. So everything you're seeing here is about 250 pounds. So there is a lot of heft in this thing, and it's very, very well built. You've got shelves here down there. These fold down. Now this is plastic, but it does fold down. I like that. Walking around here, you've got two shelves underneath. You can stack firewood on there. You can stack all your accessories on there. Some of the stuff comes with the grill. Some of the stuff is optional. But I want to take a look at how everything works here. And you're looking at those tongs and those grilling tools. And those are probably some of the longest and heavy-dutyest type that I've ever seen. And that thing out front there, that griddle, 1/4 inch thick steel. Take a close look at that too. Grilling tongs that are 24 inches. That's crazy. I want to show you 304 stainless steel. And these are the tongs, the fork I should say, and it's 21 inches long. This is just, everything here is just heavy duty. All right, when it comes to grilling, the side shelves are a big deal. And these are foldable, as you can see, that one's folded down. And these are 25 by, and we'll just go to the narrowest part here, by 12. And they actually have this tool holder right here they can buy separately that fits underneath, and it holds like a grilling tools. Very, very nice. You're probably saying, Tom, what the heck is that? So this comes with the grill right here. Now this whole thing, including this, is 304 stainless steel. This is 22 inches, and it comes with this accessory. So if you went camping, you could put that into the ground and use that over a campfire. But this whole thing is 304 stainless steel, and this is made in the good old USA. Side shelves are easy to operate. They just go up like that, you slide them into their slots, and like that, and to put them down just like that. A real space saver there. Good job by Breeo. All right, so this is the griddle right here. I just want to show you how thick that steel is. That's a 1/4 inch. That's a solid 1/4 inch steel right there, folks. And that's carbon steel. That is very, very impressive. All right, so moving down. So here's what they call the pot warmer. You can put a pot right there, and actually, you know what? I like to do popcorn over the fire, and I could see taking an old aluminum pot and putting it in there and making popcorn over the fire, and that just removes just like that. And just look at the construction of that. That is very, very nicely done by the Breeo folks. So if you're looking right here, this is open and closed, and that's an air vent. So that closes to shut down the air and opens to open the air, and that's on this side, and it's on that side over there. Now, this is very unique right here, where it's got this removable tray, and that's your ashtray. So it's got this handle. Now, obviously, you don't do this when it's hot, but you just pull this out like that, and you can take and empty your ash out. Very nice job by the Breeo folks. If you're wondering, yeah, it does have a bottle opener on it. It's got the two shelves down there. You can put your accessories on there. Like I said, there is a pizza oven accessory on it. I want to fire this up, and I've got a cowboy ribeye steak that I want to do on here. The thing looks so pretty. I don't know. I really don't want to, but I'm going to put some lump in there, get it going real good, and then we're going to see how it works. Let's get going on that. All right, I've got some lump in there. Then I put 2 splits in there of oak, and we've got cowboy ribeye on there. If you're wondering what that dark stuff is, black garlic and salt seasoning, folks. I'll tell you what, this is phenomenal stuff. and we're just gonna slow roast this thing. I'll tell you what, we can lower this a little bit as the flames die down, but this thing is that thick, so we need to take our time. Don't want to go crazy on it, but I'll tell you what, so far the Breeo is doing a phenomenal job. Another thing to note is the height. This is very, very easy to work with right here, and the height is very good. Another cool thing that Breeo did here. As we watch our steak cooks, let's talk about the price. And there it is right there. It's 850 bucks. This thing has accessories like you wouldn't believe. Let's take a look at some of the other accessories. Right, let's take a look at all the live fire cooking accessories. Now, I showed you that 1/4-inch steel. We will be cooking on that. There's the Outpost grill. Remember, you could take that camp and pound that into the ground, and that's what we're using today for our cowboy. There's a griddle press. There's the griddle tools. I showed those things are impressive. Heavy duty like crazy. They've got seasonings. The skillet rest, which I showed you already. The Outpost sear disc. That's pretty cool. And there's a sear plate griddle. Oh, look at that. What you can do on that. There's that cast iron kettle. And there's the kettle hook that you would put on that post to hang that kettle. And then there's a serving board. Now, if you go to second place, I think the now there's the Outpost rod. The pizza option I think is coming down the line, but not available yet. But I think that'd be pretty cool too. Talk about the complete sear. We're getting really close to that. And what I like about this is that you can adjust it up and down with the fire. And right now you can see where I've got it, but we're getting pretty gosh darn close. We're gonna take a temp, give you a look-see, and then we're gonna be eating Breeo. Pretty cool. Oh man, getting really close here. Just give me a couple more minutes and then we'll give you our final thoughts and have some steak, all on the Breeo live fire. Very cool. All right, let's take a look-see. Go right down the middle here of our cowboy ribeye. Oh man, oh yeah, look at that. Take that in half. It's good eating right there. Let's just take a piece. Very nice. Take a taste test, shall we? On the live fire, wood-fired steak. It's like cooking on a camp grill. Put it in your backyard, on my driveway. That thing's pretty cool. Tom Horsman YouTube, thumbs up, leave a comment. Like I said, be doing a couple more videos on this thing. I think it's really cool. Keep on watching. Appreciate you subscribing. Thumbs up, leave a comment. And as always, thanks for watching.